Welcome to my kitchen. In the last 2 weeks, I did not upload any videos and there's no recipe because I was in northern Xinjiang for about 2 weeks. Just came back and I would like to share with you something that I have tried during our trip repeatedly, and one of them is how to stir fry Chinese yam. Most of the dishes in Xinjiang are quite spicy and some of them are with mala flavor, but this one serves as a side dish and it is not spicy at all, and it serves as a good contrast to those heavy tasted dishes. The ingredients required are pretty simple, and of course we need the Chinese yam, and also we need celery, carrots, and some spring onion I have, and some cloud fungus. The first thing I need to do is to peel off the surface of the yam, the Chinese yam. I need to use a glove. Peeling Chinese yam can cause some irritation and itchiness to some people, so the best way is to wear a glove. And why this happens? This is because it contains some kind of component called calcium oxalate crystals. And when it contacts with the skin, it causes some irritation and redness to certain people. And I would like to cut it into half moon shape. Just cut this way into half, and then cut it into half moon shape. About 2 millimeters thick. We also need carrots for the contrast of color and texture. You can cut it into any shape. If you want to cut it into the shape like what normally you can have it in the Chinese restaurant, you can cut this way and then lay it flat, cut it at an angle this way, and then just cut it into diamond shape. Pretty easy. So you got a diamond shape. And also celery, cut it into diagonal pieces. Next is the cloud mushroom or cloud fungus. Some people also use a larger one which is called wood ear fungus. You can use both. Put it into a bowl. Add water and wait for 20 minutes. It will expand, hydrated. It will looks like this. Wash and drain and set it aside. Plus a few slices of ginger. Few cloves of garlic, plus some spring onion sections, and that's all we need. Seasoning required is quite straightforward. Half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of sugar, a tablespoon of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of stock or water. Heat it up on the stove or microwave to dissolve the sugar. Also some cornstarch, and then with some water to make a cornstarch slurry to thicken the sauce. Before stir frying the Chinese yam, let's blanch it with boiling water for a minute. Chinese yam is slippery and it's like sticky when it is raw. So if you toss it straight into a wok, it can cook unevenly and feel a bit hard to handle. And so a quick blanch helps to reduce this kind of a stickiness and makes everything easier to stir fry. Once it is done, remove the Chinese yam from the water. Use the same pot of water to blanch the carrot, celery, each of them about 1 to 2 minutes. And the cloud fungus, just about half a minute or until it returns to a boil. Now it's stir fry time. Heat the wok, add the oil, saute the garlic and ginger over low heat. Once it turns aromatic, add all the ingredients into it. You have the carrot, the celery, the Chinese yam, and the cloud mushroom. Stir fry it for about 1 to 2 minutes. Then add the sauce. Do a test. Adjust the seasoning. Add the spring onion. Have a quick stir and dish out. A simple stir-fry dish with Chinese yam. Okay, that is stir-fried Chinese yam, 山药炒叔叔. And if you want to get this recipe, I've included it in the description below the videos and also at the end of this video for your reference. Thanks for watching. I hope you love it, and I will continue to upload varieties of different dishes that I know, and I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.